everyone, welcome back to English Made Easy. Today we'll be doing phrases that show work in English. Take up. To start a new hobby or activity. I've decided to take up painting. Take up. Pick up. To lift or gather something. Can you pick up the groceries on your way home? Pick up. Keep on. To continue doing something. Keep on practicing and you'll improve. Keep on. Kick off. Begin something. The event will kick off at noon. Kick off. Move on. Progress or change to a new situation. It's time to move on to the next project. Move on. Carry on. Continue doing something. Please carry on with your work. Carry on. Get back. To return. I'll get back to you with an answer. Get back. Wrap up. To finish something. Let's wrap up this meeting and go to lunch. Wrap up. Start over. To begin again. After the mistake, I had to start over. Start over. Hang on. To wait for a short time. Hang on, I'll be right back. Hang on. These are very important phrases that you can use every day to improve your English. Please tell me in the comments how you liked this video. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.